Ever wondered how to make multiple AI avatars talk to each other in one seamless animated scene like these?
Do you know you can animate multi-talking avatars now?
Yeah, I have a video of it on my channel.
Wow, that's amazing, guys.
What if I told you you can now animate multiple characters?
You don't mean it. How? Since when?
As usual, I'm Nyako Wiz, and I've always got a Reese. I'm gonna show you how to get it done.
Wow, you're such a darling.
Baby girl, I'm Narco Wiz. What's your name?
Hey, handsome. I'm Franklina. Nice to meet you. Guys, should we subscribe to Nyako Wiz channel?
Wow, that would be nice.
You're a genius, man.
Whether you're building explainer videos, virtual conversations, or just having fun with characters, this tutorial is for you. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to animate multiple talking avatars, sync their speech using AI, and bring them together in a single vibrant scene. No advanced animation skills needed. Let's dive in and bring your avatars to life together.
Alright, so the first thing we have to do is to create our avatar. Alright, so that's our character, okay? You can use ChatGPT to do this, or Sora. I'll be using Sora. So I'll come to ChatGPT and click on Sora over here. It will open a new tab for us. Alright. Okay, so once you're on Sora, this is what you have to do. You have to click on this edit sign here. I'll click on it, alright, and I'll describe the image that I want to create. But before that, I want the character to look like me, one of the characters, alright. So this is what I will do. I'll upload my picture, okay. I'll click on this plus sign here and upload from device, alright. Then I'll come and select one of my pictures over here. Okay, I think this one will be okay. And once it's uploaded, I'll give it a prompt. I'll leave the prompt in the description box, okay? Create a beautiful 3D cartoon characters in a colorful place showing their faces. There should be three in this picture. The aspect ratio should be 16:9. He should be talking to a woman. Use the image attached as reference image. They should be sitting in a room. Show the faces of them all, alright? And I'll click on remix, okay? Now we wait for it to be done, okay? I think you should come here. Alright, you see that it's generating. Alright, so once it's done, then we move to the next stage, which is animating those characters in the picture. Alright. Okay, so the images are done generating, okay? But I want to do additional one. So I'll just make them two in the picture. I'll generate that one so that we can create two different kind of videos with this. Okay. So that is also generating. Whilst you're waiting for that, let's head over to Lemonslice and do the animation. Okay. So I'll open a new tab here and I'll search for Lemonslice AI. Okay. I'll click on the first search result. Okay. And I'll come to studio. Alright. First of all, you have to sign in account. Okay, I'll just use my Google account and sign in with it. Okay, I select one of these. Continue. Okay, so you'll be showing a page like this. Okay, this is not what we are going to use in the studio. Alright, so I'll click on this menu here and I'll select conversations. Alright, so this is where we'll be using the image we just created with Sora. Okay, so I'll click on select image here and upload an image. You can upload up to 100 MB. Okay, so I'll just click on this and I'll select this image. Okay. Okay, so I'll click on it. And as you can see, the image has been uploaded onto the server. So this is what I have to do. You have to drag this box to cover their faces. This particular box. Make sure it's big enough. Don't make it something small. make sure it's big enough so that the AI will have enough spaces to animate it. Okay, and I'll drag this one to the second character. Okay, drag it like this, and then I'll add a character. You come down here and click on add character. Okay, so a new character will be created, and I will also drag that onto the head of this particular one, making them 3. All right, so this is what you have to do next. We have to select voices. You have to give them voices. Okay, select voices for them. Since the first character is a female, I'll use the female voice. All right, I have this particular lady I like to use. You can go through all of these voices, select the one that is best for you. Okay, but then I'll be using Sophia, this one, this plan. I like this particular voice. I don't know why, but I like this voice. And the second one, which is my avatar, I will select I have this one here, Sam. Sam is also nice. I'll use Sam. And the third character, I think, let me go through it a bit. Let me use Austin. I think Austin is also okay. So now we have uploaded our image, placed all of the characters in position and selected all the voices. So this is what you have to do. You have to type what you want them to say or upload some. So let's say, for instance, I want for the first character, which is female, I will type, okay, guys, subscribe to channel. It will take time to generate, okay. And let's say for the second avatar, because it's me, let me use my voice to record it. Okay, so I click on the record. You can upload one here or record one here. You can upload one of already recorded voice note here or record one. So I'll record one. I'll click on the record and allow. I'll click on it and let me play it and see. Okay, let me just use it. This is just for as example. I don't know how to I don't know how to put it. All right, so the third character, let me say let me type something. Something like this. Okay, you are generous, man. And so now it's created. Okay, so
Should we subscribe to Nayaka Wiz channel?
Nice. Very genius, man.
okay, so as you can see, when you sign up an account with Lemonslice, you are being given 25 credits. 25 credits. All right. I'll later in the video we will discuss the pricing, okay, of Lemonslice. So when I generate this particular video, I'll be charged 24 coin. All right. So once I'm done with this, I'll just log out and sign in with a different account, and I'll be given 25 credits for free. All right. So I'll just click on generate. All right, so our video is being submitted. Okay, so we wait a few minutes and it will be done. Let's wait. While we are waiting, let's check on the second image that we are generating. Let's go back. Okay, that is also done. Here is it. You see, it's very nice. Okay, so I'll download them onto my PC, my phone. I mean, click on download. And this is also still in progress. Okay, once it's done, we will log out, sign in a different account, and do the other video. Okay, so the video is done. We were charged 22 credits, so we are left with only 3. All right, so let's do the other video. So I'll just log out. Okay, I'll log out of this account and sign in again. However, you can just buy one of the plans and you'll be free from logging out and signing in again with a different account. All the stress you wouldn't have to go through if you just subscribe. Okay, so I'll sign in with my Gmail and select a different account. Okay, just like we did before, we are given 25 credits on this new account too. So I'll just select menu and conversations. All right, so to come like this as we did before, I'll just select image, upload it. Okay, so I think which one should I go for? This will be okay. Okay, so this is just 2 characters in this particular image. Okay, so I make sure it covers their face well. Cover their face well. And I'll select voices. I'll use some for my avatar.
Hey man, what's up? It's been a while.
Okay,
Let's get together this weekend.
alright. And I'll select Sophia for the female
You are the
character.
coolest, most beautiful person I have ever met.
Thank you. Okay, so this is what you have to do now. You just type a script over here, or we will record our voices. Let me just type something. Something like this. And because this particular one isn't much, we are going to be charged 10 credits.
Hey you, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.
You're welcome.
Okay, so let me try and edit this one. Alright, so
Hey you, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.
You're welcome. And thanks for not gatekeeping this.
you get it. So I'll just, as we did before, I'll click on generate video. Okay, so when it's done, I'll show you the result. But before then, let's go to Lemonslice homepage and I'll show you their prices. Okay, let me show you their prices. Okay, so let me lemon like this to the homepage. Okay, let me show you their prices. Okay, you click on this menu and pricing. Let me see. Oh, why is it not coming? Let me see it. Okay, yeah. So we are currently on the free plan, yeah, and with that there are a whole lot of things that we can't have access to, like access to their version 2.7, access to 100 1080p resolution, custom voices, access to voice changer, download without watermark. And talking of watermarks, maybe right after this I will show you how to remove watermarks. Okay, so let's do that after this. And there's a standard version, version. I mean, with that, you are being given 1,200 credits per month, 1 minute max video length, up to 6 concurrent generation, access to, like as you can see, a whole lot of goodies. And I think $8 per month is not really bad, you know. and they have the Plus, which is $20 with a lot of all the features of the standard and more. You get it. And they have Professional, those who demand more. You get it. More credit. That is $40 per month. And the premium is also $100. Okay, so that is that. That is that.
Hey, I'm Nyarko Wiz. I'll show you how to animate multiple talking avatars. Shall we proceed?
That would be great. Guys, should we subscribe to Nyarko Wiz channel?
Wow, that would be nice.
You're a genius, man.
Hey you, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.
You're welcome. And thanks for not gatekeeping this.
There you have it. Now you can animate multiple avatars in one scene with ease. If this video was helpful, like, comment, and subscribe. Tell somebody about Nyarko Wiz. See you in the next video.